Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2014 Kia Ceed 3 Sportswagon. Now of course this is the 1.6 litre diesel. You do get LED daytime running lights at the front. You get your standard projector halogen headlights as well. You then have these brilliant 16-inch painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming round to the rear now, you've got your rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just up here as well. Then coming into the tailgate, where you will see that we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You've then also got a little bit of additional storage in the boot floor here, like so that lifts up and you can see you have more room. Then you also have your pull-out privacy shelf, which ensures maximum privacy for any belongings inside the tailgate. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with your white accents in the middle. You've got Isofix mounting point to the bottom, full electric automatic windows all around. And then coming into the front of the car, we then have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got dual climate control in the front, and then of course we then have your touchscreen display. Now on here you get your 2 radio sources just here. You also get Bluetooth audio as well, and auxiliary. We've then also got satellite navigation, which you can see just there. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your audio controls at the top just here. We have your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant on the left. Then of course we have your cruise control on the right hand side just here. So then as you can see there, we've also got your onboard computer controls, cruise control, automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Kia has done 55,624 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Ceed, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.